So I saw one of those gurus on Twitter teasing one of these TikTok money-making strategies for like $1,000, and that just didn't sit right with me because it's so simple, so I'm gonna just leak it to you guys for free today. I really don't care. To that guy, sorry if I put you out of business, but this is just way too simple to charge a rack for. The strategy basically revolves around taking viral clips from famous content creators and then putting them on top of those GTA clips with the car where you just drive it down the hill and it like crashes and burns 100 times over and over again. I don't know why those are so addicting, but it actually does work. You're just making those videos and trying to get into the creativity program beta so you can get paid per view and maybe make a TikTok series as well that you can sell on top of that. I'm gonna do it step by step with you right here so you can see exactly how you do it. And there's a couple important things you need to know. It's not as simple as just taking two videos and putting them on top of each other. You need to add some certain effects in CapCut to make it work. Step one is go over to YouTube, pick your favorite viral content creator, Joe Rogan, Kai Cenat, podcaster, whoever you wanna do. Pick one of their viral clips or something you saw recently that you think could go viral in the future and just screen record it vertically the way it already is on YouTube. Step two, look up one of those GTA car rolling down the hill videos. Again, screen record vertically, that's all you have to do. Third, put both of these into CapCut on top of each other. If you don't have CapCut, it's a video editing app. You can get it for your iPhone. You can also get it for your desktop if you want to use a computer. I use both, depends what I'm doing. Once you have your clips on top of each other, you want to generate auto captions for your video within CapCut. Just go to text, auto captions. Once you have your auto captions, you want to pick a template that makes the captions look a little bit more eye-catching. I like the one I'm using in this video right now where the words pop up one at a time. I think yellow is the best color for captions, but you can pick whatever color works the best or makes sense. Green looks good too. Just pick something that looks cool. You don't even need to use this template. I just like this one the best. Once you have your auto-generated captions and your video clips on top of each other, you want to add a filter to the top video, the one of your viral content. You can pick one in CapCut that you think looks good. A lot of people for like motivational videos or fitness videos, they use a more washed out filter. For other pieces of content, you can use something more vibrant. Be creative, use whatever you think looks the best. There's no set method that makes the most sense. The goal here is just to differentiate your content from just the standard video recording. This will help you get into the creativity program and make sure you get paid for your views. You can mess around with other CapCut effects too, like face tracking or motion blur. These are just the necessities that you need to have at a bare minimum. Anyway, do this over and over until you get 10,000 followers and you get into the creativity program beta where you'll get paid about $1 per 1,000 views. On top of that, you can make a digital TikTok series that you can sell with your videos, or you could sell a physical product on the TikTok shops or make a Shopify website where you dropship a product like my other videos teach. Either way, there's a ton of ways to make money with this, and it's a really simple method.